ISRO mission Venus. ISRO 2024 date for Venus orbiter. India will join race with US and other countries to go to Venus. ISRO has announced that it is ready to send an orbiter to Venus in 2024. This is the time when Earth and Venus will be aligned so that the aircraft could be put into Venus orbit with minimum propellants. Same conditions will be available after 2024 and 2031, so ISRO has taken a right decision. The project report is made, and overall plans are ready. ISRO has not officially released a timeline for Venus mission yet. Venus is the solar system's hottest planet. ISRO also wants to study the structure and details of the atmosphere of the planet. It is also planned to study the active volcanic hotspots on the planet. ISRO also plans to study the mysteries about the sulfuric acid clouds which surround the planet. Info brief. Please subscribe our channel.